Hey y'all, it's Shania. Welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been MIA recently. I've just been taking summer classes and I've just been real busy with work, and I've also been in the process of moving out, which I bet you can tell because my walls are all blank. But I'm actually about to go over to my new apartment complex right now to pick up the keys. So I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to do an empty apartment tour. I've seen a bunch of other YouTubers doing this recently, so I just thought this would be a fun idea for a little video and just something a little bit different. So I'm about to head over there right now so we can see what my new apartment looks like. So this is the new apartment. Here is the kitchen. I'm trying to figure out what the lights are. We have a sink, dishwasher. This is the pantry space. It's a good amount of space. This is just the water heater. And here is our washer and dryer. There's the rest of the appliances. Let me take my shoes off because I did just clean the carpet. Here's the living room. It's a good amount of just some nice open space. The big window in the living room. The space is the railroad tracks right there. This one right here, I think this is gonna be my room. It's a good amount of space. And each room has its own balcony. It's a really good sized balcony in my opinion. And I just have another big window right here. And my space to let some light in. Here's my bathroom. Just nice and simple. And here is my closet, which I'm most excited about because it's so much bigger than my last closet. I think there's a light in here. Okay, here is my new closet. I don't know if the video is doing it justice, but it's pretty big. Got a lot of space, I can walk in it. It's got another shelf right here. And then it's got a little living space right here. I think I'm gonna put my big mirror on this wall right here. Yeah, I'm in love with the size of this closet because my old closet, I couldn't even like close the doors and still like be in it. It's like, there's a lot of space. This is a huge upgrade for my closet, so I'm real excited about that. I'll show you all the other bedroom, even though it's exactly the same as the first one. Here's the view of the living room from another angle. It's a good amount of space. I'm really excited. Here is the second bedroom. Exactly the same as mine. Size and everything. Look at this balcony too. A good spot for pictures. I kind of like this balcony a little more because the balcony on the other room is right on top of other people's balconies. And this one's kind of isolated. Here's this It's about the same too. I can't find the light switch. That's in the closet. I'm really excited about the closet because I was always running out of space in my old apartment to keep my clothes somewhere. And I have more space to keep my shoes and everything. Struggling with shoe space. So that's basically it for my mini apartment tour. I hope y'all like what you saw. I know I'm very excited about moving in. I'll be moving in towards the end of the week, and I'll be sure to keep y'all updated on how I decorate it and all that. It's probably gonna take me a while to decorate because I haven't really I know what color scheme I want, but I haven't really bought anything, so that'll be a more slower process, but I'll keep y'all updated. But thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.